Welcome to this lesson. For this lesson, we will see the pen, pencil, and the upload tools, and also the text tool. First, let's start with the pen tool. Clicking on it and clicking here as well. Then you can see wherever we are taking our cursor, this other point is also going along with it. So let's do by extending and fixing it here. They are giving a straight line to it. Then you can do many things with that. I am going to create a simple arrow like thing. You can choose to keep it like this and even close it, but I'm keeping like this and going there and closing now. Here you can see there is the roundabout arrow, which you can drag it to rotate the entire shape. So that was for the pen tool. Here too you can use those creating anchor points and dragging it as well. I'm using it. Then let's try the pencil. Click here. No, it is not selected. Select it. When this gray thing appears, that means it is selected. Clicking on the tool and then directly it is going away again. Click here, make this. Here also you can create those anchor points and then readjust it for creating other shapes and even double click on it. Looks like an A. Let's keep it like that and move on to the text. Select it, keep it here. You can see the text is written here. I'm writing graphics. Now, when you select it, you can see they are giving a couple of options on the right hand panel, that is the font, background, border, shadows, and opacity. You can increase the font size from here. I'm increasing it because it's not visible clearly. Yes. You can change the font style from here. I'm changing to oregano. And there is this option for normal or italic. Let's see the italics and the alignments. Let's set center. We already have it in the center. Let's see the right, because there is only one word, that's why it is like that. Let's see graphics tutorials and then try dragging it inside. And now Let's try to the left. No, it is on the left side. Let's do the center. It's coming here. So it is working. Let's drag it here. And you can also set the borders and the shadows from here as well, because the border is giving in this color, it is giving this light hue to it. And then there is the most interesting option, that is the upload image. We don't have anything downloaded. I have downloaded image from the web. Let's change our page and then upload via this button. In the downloads section, click on it, this yellow flower clip art, just JPG file, open it. Yes, it is appearing. Let's drag it and resize it. Dragging the corners because the background is the same, white for both, and then drag it in the workspace. So that's how you can upload an image. I am not doing anything over it, but adding text. Yellow flower, and keep it like that. It's outside the workspace, so drag it in. Now you can see here are other tools here, which the first one is the snapping and grid. I am using none. You can also use the grid option. It will give you the basic reference. Then there is the file settings, which will give you the option to set a name. First, try the file name. It will not update because we haven't look. It is not giving anything or updating because we haven't already logged in and didn't even register for this service, so it will not update right now. This export button will work. You can download it. We will check on it later in this lesson, in this whole project, in the export section. But for this thing, we are trying it out. It is giving us this untitled.svg because we have saved it in the svg format and the file name is not updated, but it is downloading correctly. So the online workspace is working. Then there is the new file. We can click on it and it refreshes the page. And there is the help button. And in the bottom section, you can see whenever you click on, suppose this ellipse, you can adjust the dimensions from here as well if you don't want to drag and do it. So that's all about the tools. Now let's move on to signing up or login. So for the first time users, you will sign up from here. they are giving this page where you can fill up your information and also sign up with your Facebook, Twitter, or Google account. And if you already have signed up for the service, which I did, so we can log in from here and enter your email address and password, or use the other services as well. So that's all about the tools and the mechanisms. We'll meet on the next lesson where we will create and actually save our design in our own profile. See you there. Bye.